Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can find nearby friends on your Facebook. So let's get started. So first, open the Facebook app and tap the three lines in your phone. So in Android, it's on the top right corner. But if you're using iOS, it's in the bottom right corner. So just tap on that. Once you tap it, scroll down and tap See More. And then look for nearby friends. If it's available in your country, just tap it and turn on location access. But if it's not available in your country, here's what you can do instead. Tap on Marketplace and then tap your location settings. Enable your location access and set your exact location. And after that, you'll start seeing people in your area. So go back to the menu and tap Find Friends or Friends. And then after that, select Suggestions. So Facebook will show you people often nearby based on mutual friends and location data. And that's it. Thanks for watching.